What if the iPhone SE 4 could finally provide a reason to consider a budget-friendly Apple device? For years, Apple fans have been hoping for an affordable option that still offers the same high-quality experience they've come to expect from the brand. With recent rumors circulating about the iPhone SE 4, it seems like Apple may be ready to deliver just that. The latest leaks suggest this new model could bring significant upgrades, making it a serious contender in the budget smartphone market. The excitement around the iPhone SE 4 kicked off when a private source shared some insider details about the upcoming device. The rumors indicate that Apple might release not just the iPhone SE 4, but also new iPads, with some expecting these devices to drop as soon as early spring. Along with these potential releases, Apple has been updating its operating system with a release candidate version of iOS 18.3 already available. This suggests that the official release of iOS 18.3 could be just around the corner, possibly aligning with the launch of new devices. One of the most exciting aspects of the iPhone SE 4 is the rumored design upgrade. Apple has always been known for its sleek and minimalist designs, and it seems the iPhone SE 4 might follow this tradition. A major change could be the inclusion of the dynamic island, a feature introduced with the iPhone 14 Pro models. This would represent a significant step up from the design of previous iPhone SE models, which have mostly stuck to a familiar look. The dynamic island would offer a new way for users to manage notifications and interact with apps, enhancing the overall user experience. In terms of performance, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to be powered by the A18 chip, which would also be featured in the iPhone 16. This would mark a huge leap for the SE lineup, closing the gap between budget and flagship devices. The A18 chip would improve speed and efficiency, allowing the SE 4 to handle demanding tasks with ease. This makes the iPhone SE 4 not just a budget device, but a real powerhouse in terms of performance, offering great value for money. The addition of Apple Intelligence to the iPhone SE 4 is another anticipated upgrade. This feature is designed to enhance the phone's performance by making it smarter and more efficient. In previous models, the lack of AI integration made the SE series feel slightly behind the flagship iPhones. However, with the inclusion of Apple Intelligence, the SE 4 could offer a more premium experience despite its entry-level price point. One of the biggest improvements for the iPhone SE 4 is the camera. The new model is expected to feature a 48-megapixel camera, a huge improvement over the 12-megapixel camera found on older models. This upgrade would bring the iPhone SE 4 in line with more advanced devices, providing better image quality, improved low-light performance, and more detailed photos. Whether you're taking selfies or capturing landscapes, the upgraded camera would make a noticeable difference in your photography. All of these upgrades are expected to come at a price around $499, which would make the iPhone SE 4 a strong competitor to other budget devices like Samsung's Galaxy A56 and Google's Pixel 9a. In fact, the iPhone SE 4 might even challenge higher-end devices, including the iPhone 16, offering similar features at a much lower price. For those who want a powerful, budget-friendly phone, the SE 4 could be one of the best options available. As for the iPads, there are also some exciting developments in store. While the entry-level iPad might not see major design changes, it's expected to be powered by either the A17 Pro or the A18 chip, bringing better performance and efficiency. On the other hand, the iPad Air could see a more significant upgrade, with rumors suggesting it could feature the M3 chip. This would make the iPad Air even more powerful, ideal for multitasking and demanding tasks. Additionally, the iPad Air might come with a 90 Hz refresh rate display, offering smoother scrolling and a more fluid user experience. While it's always important to take rumors with a grain of salt, if even a fraction of these leaks turn out to be true, the iPhone SE 4 and new iPads could offer some of the best value for money Apple has ever provided. These devices would combine performance, design, and features that typically belong to higher-end models, all while maintaining a more accessible price point. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest Apple news and rumors. What excites you most about a new smartphone launch? Is it the cutting-edge technology, the sleek new design, or just the sheer anticipation of unboxing something brand new? For Samsung enthusiasts, there's plenty to be thrilled about as the launch of the Galaxy S25 series approaches. With the official unveiling just around the corner, there's a buzz in the air, especially about the sale and delivery dates in India. Samsung has officially announced that the Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025. This event is set to showcase the highly awaited Galaxy S25 series, a lineup that promises to push the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones. The pre-reservation phase has already kicked off, fueling the excitement even further as fans prepare to be among the first to experience Samsung's latest flagship. One of the most pressing questions on everyone's mind is about the timeline for pre-orders and the actual delivery of the new devices. Although Samsung has kept some details under wraps, a series of leaks and insider tips have started to paint a clearer picture, particularly for the Indian market. Before Samsung made its official announcement, a leak suggested that South Korea would see Galaxy S25 deliveries starting from 7 February 2025. Naturally, this raised curiosity about when Indian customers would get their hands on the new devices. Indian consumers now have some clarity thanks to popular tipster Asian Agarwal, who has provided key insights. According to Agarwal, deliveries for those who pre-order the Galaxy S25 series in India are expected to commence around 3 February 2025. This timeline seems to be set for early adopters who reserve their devices ahead of time. For those who prefer to wait and purchase after the initial excitement, regular sales are likely to begin on 9 February 2025. While the exact pre-order window remains undisclosed, Samsung's typical strategy offers a clue. The company usually allows pre-orders to start immediately following the launch event. If this pattern continues, Indian consumers could begin pre-ordering their Galaxy S25 devices as early as 22 January 2025, the same day as the launch. Beyond the release dates, there's considerable interest in the different models and options that will be available. Agarwal has hinted at various configurations in terms of memory and color variants for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. This range of options ensures that there's something for everyone, catering to different tastes and needs. Pricing is always a significant factor in the decision-making process. While the exact prices for India are yet to be confirmed, early reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 series might be priced slightly higher than the previous Galaxy S24 series. This potential increase aligns with global trends and reflects the advancements and enhancements that the new series is expected to offer. As we edge closer to the official launch, the excitement continues to build. Whether you're planning to be among the first to pre-order or waiting for the general sale, the Galaxy S25 series promises to deliver an exceptional experience, blending innovation with sophisticated design. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest news on the Galaxy S25 and all things tech. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant stream of notifications, struggling to keep track of what truly matters? If so, you're not alone. With smartphones becoming an integral part of our daily lives, managing notifications effectively has become more important than ever. The Samsung Galaxy S25 aims to revolutionize the way we interact with notifications, making the experience smoother, more efficient, and less chaotic. Let's take a look at how this innovative device is tackling the issue of notification overload. One of the key features of the Galaxy S25 is its ability to prioritize notifications. With the help of artificial intelligence, the phone will learn to recognize which alerts are most important to you. Whether it's an urgent email from work or a message from a close friend, the Galaxy S25 will push these notifications to the top, ensuring that you never miss anything important. No more wasting time sifting through countless alerts or wondering if something crucial has slipped through the cracks. The AI does all the work for you, giving you peace of mind and control over your notifications. In addition to prioritizing conversations, the Galaxy S25 introduces a summarized notification feature. We've all been there, opening a notification, only to find a lengthy message that could have been